Hello. Today I want to take some cuttings from my giant Hoya pubicalic splash because why not? It is growing fantastically. Like there's just so much going on, but I want to take a couple cuttings so that I can have some more Hoya pubicalic splash, and then also it'll just keep putting out more and more and more and more and more sections. So let's start with the top because I can see there is, oh, okay, this is all connected. There's a lot going on right here. And there's also some really big leaves. Look at this one. And I want it. I want it. I want it. So I'm gonna chop. Ooh. So I could probably make like 3 cuttings right there. But like, look at how pretty those leaves are. Oh my gosh. Focus. Focus on my leaves. Pretty. So that's really nice. Oh my goodness. This one has, there's like this little vine here, but there's leaves coming out, so I'm just gonna leave that one. This one kind of withered off at the end, so I think I might take, let's see, let's look down at the bottom too. Right down at the bottom is really, really, really full. Like, oh, this would be an insane cutting right here. Should I do it? Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. Alright, let me cut right. Look at that. Not the most splashy, but it still is really splashy, and it's just like such a good cross section. Look at all those leaves. Oh my gosh. Let's see. What about this side? Look at all those leaves. Holy cannoli. It's just so pretty. I literally just love this Hoya so much. I just want it to grow massive. Honestly though, they might be all, I have this, let me just see how they look. I have a little jar that I'm gonna put these guys, these clippings in. So let's see. Let's cut this one there. This guy. Put him in there like such. They're kind of like hard to, I'm gonna have to fill it up with more water because they're kind of hard to like stick in there, but, and oop, this guy, a little single leaf. That's okay. These are okay. Single leaves are fine too. And then this one's kind of weird because the leaves were like growing upside down, so they're gonna be a little wonky. But I think I can make this work. I think I can make it work. I'll just put them on the side of the cuff like this. Maybe I need one more. I think I need one more. Just because there's a little dead piece right here. I'm gonna cut off. Put that on my desk. Oh, look at this leaf. You see how splashy that is? So pretty. Where to cut? There's so much new growth on this too, so that's nice. I'll just take from right up here. Oh, you can't even see now. We'll take it from here, and we'll just unwrap one. There. Let's see. Try and fix this. Put this leaf through there, then we'll hold on nicely. And this one was, it was like twisted around another vine, so the stem is all spirally. So that's really cute. Sappy, sappy. Okay, plop that guy in the water there too. And then I'll fill it up a little higher, and then I got a cute little bunch of Hoya pubicalis splash. So I can grow another one and make it even bigger. I definitely won't add to this pot because it is very full. As you can see, it's very, very full. So there's not that much room to it, but yay. So I placed an order on Etsy from Flora Epiphytica to get some moss poles, some of the plastic moss poles that you like fold up. Sorry, I have a headache, and I'm doing everything I can to get over it. I've already taken Excedrin, I've eaten, I'm chugging water. I made a coffee in hopes that the caffeine will help me, but we'll see. We'll see. First I was like really confused about what this was because it's in like a Gimli Art of Living Make Your Dream Kitchen box. Ooh. Okay, so these are the ones I got. They look like this. So I got, I believe, small and medium. I think they also had a mini. So you like fold it like this. Oh gosh, it's kind of hard to fold. But anyways, you fold it and then it like, you stick the moss in there. And then I got medium. Small and medium, I'm pretty sure. And then because I was just looking around to see what else she had, they had, I don't know if it's a girl or what, but I also got a cutting, which is a syngonium. I think it's the red, the one, it has like red on the bottom and it's really dark on top. I've wanted this for a while. And she actually gave me a pretty decent sized cutting. I think it was like $2. But that's so cute. Okay, I definitely need to put this in water, even though it did have a little moist paper towel, and it came from California, so it's not like super far, but look how cute. I'm so excited. I really have been wanting one of these syngoniums, so when I saw a cutting for $2, I was like, yes! So I have this upright lemon lime philodendron that has been in my room for a while, and I kind of, because it's like there's only a couple plants in my room, I kind of end up forgetting about it. So I'm going to repot it in this cute glass thing that I got from the thrift store, and I think it's gonna be much happier in no drainage. And I think I'm still gonna leave it in my room, but if I forget to water it because it's in no drainage, it will, what's the word? It will survive a lot longer. So let's repot this up. We're gonna start off by putting some leca in there, which I am almost out of leca. This might be one of the last. Well, no. I have enough for one more smaller free pot. And then I have to buy some more. So we'll do that. This is a really, really cute. This is a really, really cute glass container thing. I'm not really sure like what they would have used this for, or what do you do with this? I don't know. But anyways, okay, I'm gonna have to vacuum after this because it's probably gonna make a little bit of a mess. You're gonna see how dry this bad boy is. Oh gosh. Come on. Oh no. Oh, fuck. I can feel stuff ripping. Oh my gosh. Come on, get out. Look at all those roots. And yeah, it's really dry. Let's see. And very peaty. Very much got peat in it. Very much got peat in it. Alright, and then we'll just, I'm also running out of soil too, so I'm gonna have to get some more soon. Mix some more up. Oh my gosh, it looks so much better in this dark soil. Oh my gosh, I'm making a literal mess. He's potted up. As you can see, he's growing to one side, which funnily enough was away from the window. But I'm gonna give him a good drink so that he can rehydrate or get his life back together and start growing again. And there's a lot. So like when I got this plant, it was really, really full. But a lot of the leaves that were super duper close in there died. So I'm gonna go through and clean up all the gross stuff and I'll be right back. I got all the dead leaves and like dead sheaths off. This is what we're looking like right now. I'll give you a 360. It's not pretty because like I said, he definitely was neglected. And then we come back here and he's bald. But, okay, so, twist, twist, twist. This is what he's looking like right now, which I'm not mad at. I do kind of like the crazy, like, flowing like crazy. This is an upright lemon lime, so I'm wondering, should I, like, put some of this up? I kind of just like the fact that it's just growing a little wild, and then now it will just like be healthier. Obviously we're probably gonna shed some more leaves because I think we probably did some damage by not watering him that often, but I kind of like it. Let me go put it in my room and we'll make sure that's what we like. Okay, this is what it looks like in here. I think it's cute. I think it's gonna grow into itself. Ignore the fact that all my other junk is just over here. But I think it's gonna grow into itself and look better. I think we're gonna leave it instead of tying it up. And I will keep you guys updated.